What's up, everybody? So we got done with our real estate investing conference, our annual conference, and it went amazing. We had good speakers, we had inspirational stories, we had all the things to help our group take their game to the next level. But with that being said, one of the speakers, his name was Greg Kimball, and he's a world-renowned speaker, doctor. He's just everything, right? And so he spoke, and he was supposed to be doing a marathon, but he took his time to be here with us. And so he promised his friend that he was gonna run the 26-mile marathon in DC. We're in the Washington, DC area. And so I've never run a marathon my whole life. I work out throughout the week, but I'm not in the best shape. But I said, you know what? I'm gonna do it with you. And so we're here at the Embassy Suites in Springfield. We're gonna be running all the way to the National Mall. And I'm just excited about where it's gonna push me mentally and how it's gonna affect my business and everything else that me and my family do for the rest of the year. Sometimes you just gotta jump in, take challenges, and push yourself mentally. So I'm excited. I wanna share it with you guys, and I'll let you know how it actually went. I'm committed to getting the 26 miles done, even though I've never done it. Wish me luck. About halfway through the journey.
Hey, how are you?
And just super excited about this first marathon, baby. I'm on the W&OD trail with my boy Greg. He's checking something for the hotel, so our pace probably have slowed down, but as long as I get to 26 miles, I'm happy. Been learning a lot. Greg's a great coach, great husband, great friend, and I just can't wait to, hopefully you guys can hear me. I know there's a lot of cars, but I'm making it to the National Mall. We're gonna hit our 26 miles. Let's get it in, baby. The honey badger don't care. Do you? So, we're on mile 25. We're not done until we hit 26.2. And it's happening, even though I can't feel my body from the waist down. Like, it's real. But even if I have to limp this joint, I'm gonna make it. Yeah, baby. Coming up on this end of this marathon, let me show you guys something. Let me go ahead and show you something. 26.17, 26.18. You know what it is. Come on, Umair. That's what I said. Come on, Umair. You ain't never tapping out. Come on. Come on. Yep. It's for me. It's for my family. It's for everybody. It's official. Hold on. Mr. Kimball. My watch is a little bit ahead of his. So let's get it.
We did it, bro.
We did it.
We did it.
Woo!